Shakas. Aloha, crafty friends. It's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with day number 21 of our 24 days of Secret Santa Swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. So bummed we're almost at the end. This has been so much fun to open up a gift every day. Like, what? And it's a crafty gift or something to do with it. So, like, even better. So here we go, day 21 in this beautiful gold bag. Let's untie the bow. If you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. Hope you consider subscribing and following me along on my crafty journey. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you stopping by and for your love and support. Here we go. Let's see, day 21. Day 21, tissue paper. No, kidding. Let's see. Oh, how beautiful. Look at this beautiful trim. There we go. There we go. How beautiful. Look at this beaded trim. Oh my goodness. It is beautiful. I don't have anything like this. So thank you, Secret Santa. I'm excited to use this. Thank you, thank you. So that's what my Secret Santa gave to me on day 21. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. Please consider sharing this video, like and subscribe. And until my next video, shakas.